Learn how to use Amazon gift cards as referral rewards. First, we will build the referral campaign. Then, we will link it with the Amazon Incentives API. Choose a two-sided referral model. Then set up the reward for the invited friend, for example 50% off. Next, choose the reward for the advocate. Make it a material reward Amazon gift cards. Set up webhook notifications triggered by valid referrals. Confirm the program flow in the summary view. Now we will assign a referral code to the advocate. Now, let's redeem the code as an invited friend to trigger the reward webhook. Complete the referral by marking the material reward as done. Let's wait a second for the webhook to arrive. In response to this event, we can send an API request to the Amazon Incentives API to generate a new gift card. With the code in hand, we can share it with the advocate. You can also learn about the card balance via another API call.